Good morning, friends. In this lecture, we will see Newton-Gregory backward interpolation formula. Up to now, we have seen Newton-Gregory forward interpolation formula. So, the details of this backward formula are given below. So, the first sentence is, this formula is to be used when the required argument is nearer to last argument. Required argument is nearer to last argument. Forward formula we use when the required argument is nearer to first argument. And here, if the required argument is nearer to last argument, then we use backward interpolation formula. Both the formulas, they are used for or where the interval of differencing is constant. So the formula states that f of a minus mh is equal to fa minus m del fa plus m into m minus 1 divided by 2 factorial del square fa minus and so on. See, minus m into m minus 1, m minus 2, 3 factorial del cube fa plus and so on. So, plus minus, alternate positive, negative terms are there. A, what is A? In the forward formula, A was the first argument. Here A is last argument. And H for both forward and backward, H is the interval of differencing. So the backward formula states like this: f of a minus mh is equal to fa minus m del fa plus m into m minus 1 divided by 2 factorial del square fa minus m into m minus 1 into m minus 2 divided by 3 factorial del cube fa plus and so on to n plus 1 terms. A is the last argument, last argument, not last entry. A is the last argument. And H is the interval of differencing. So the first example is estimate f of 42 from the following data. So the data is given x and fx. X values of x are 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Corresponding fx 354, 332, 291, 260, 231, 204. So we prepare the following difference table. So the first column is of x, second column is of fx. From third onwards, we write here del. But we use the same technique: 332 minus 354, 291 minus 332, and we take the last values, isn't it? And therefore it is backward difference table. But while calculation, we use the same technique as in forward table. So 332 minus 354, 291 minus 332, 260 minus 291, 231 minus 260, del square minus 41 plus 22, minus 31 plus 41, minus 29 plus 31, like this. Del cube 10 plus 19, 2 minus 10, 2 minus 2, del fourth, minus 8 minus 37, 0 minus plus 8, del fifth is 8 plus 37, 45. So these you just mark these. And therefore, as far as this value is concerned, this is del of 204. This value is del of 204 because del means that value minus previous value. So this one is del of 204, and we are taking the last values like this. So A is 45, FA is 204, del FA is minus 27, del square FA is 2, del cube FA is 0, del fourth FA is 8. The value 42 is nearer to 45 than 20. Therefore, we use Newton's backward formula. Actually, this sentence you write at start. You write this sentence at start of the solution. Then Newton's backward formula states that f of a minus mh is equal to fa minus m del fa plus m into m minus 1 divided by 2 factorial del square fa minus and so on. So what is a? We have marked here. A is 45. What is h? H is interval of differencing. 45 minus 40, that is 5, or 40 minus 35, 30 minus 30. So the constant difference. H is the interval of differencing, that is 5. Then A minus MH, we want F42. Therefore, A minus MH is 42. And A is 45. H is 5. And therefore, M is, here, write this as M. Instead of H, this is M. M is equal to 45 minus 42 minus 45 divided by minus 5 divided by minus 5. That is 0.6. 0.6 is the value of M. Then we write Newton's formula, backward formula, and actually we have written that, and we put the values here. FA is 204, then del FA is 27, del square FA is 2, del cube FA is 0, del fourth is 8, del fifth is 45, m into m minus 1, m into m minus 1 into m minus 2 divided by 3 factorial is 6, 4 factorial is 24, like this. And we solve, we simplify all these terms and multiply, then divide, addition, subtraction. Overall, it will give the value as 219.96. So your answer f of 42 is equal to 219.96. Second example, values of x and y are given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 17, 45, 103, 203. Find y when x is 3.6 using suitable interpolation formula. So here 3.6 is nearer to 4, that is last argument. Then the first argument 0, then 0. Therefore we use Newton's backward interpolation formula. For we prepare the following difference table, backward difference table. So x first column, y second column, then del same 17 minus 7, 45 minus 17, 103 minus 45, like this. Del square 28 minus 10, like this, all this. Del fourth is 0. Therefore we take up to del cube. So A is 4, FA is 203, del FA is 100, del square FA is 42, del cube FA is 12, and A minus MH. What is A minus MH? A minus MH is 3.6, A is 4, H is 1, and therefore M is equal to 0.4. And write Newton's backward formula. Again, by Newton's backward formula, we have f of A minus MH is equal to FA minus m del FA plus m into m minus 1 divided by 2 factorial del square FA minus and so on. So f of 3.6 is, put all these values. FA is 203, del FA is 100, del square FA is 42, del cube FA is 12, and m is 0.4. So m into m minus 1, 0.4 minus 1, that is minus 0.6 divided by 2, then m into m minus 1 into m minus 2. m minus 2 is minus 1.6 divided by 3 factorial, that is 6, and this one is the last value, del cube fa, 12. And again multiply, divide, add, subtract, and get the answer for f of 3.6 as 157.19. 157.19. Then next example, given x degree, x is in degree, 0, 30, 60, 90, and cos x, cos 0 degree 1, cos 30 degree 0.87, cos 60 degree 0.5, cos 90 degree 0. Find cos of 70 degree using suitable interpolation formula. So here 70, cos 70 we want. So 70 is nearer to 90 than 0. First argument is 0, last argument is 90. And therefore we use backward interpolation formula. If in the example itself it is given use Newton's backward formula, then there is no option and there is no need to write all these things. If there is the question like this, nature of the question like this, using suitable interpolation formula, means choice is yours, but while selection you have to keep in mind that whether the required argument is nearer to first argument or nearer to last argument. If it is nearer to last argument, then use Newton's backward formula. If it is nearer to first argument, then use Newton's forward formula. So this technique you have to keep in mind while selection of the formula. We prepare the following backward difference table. So x is in first column, 0, 30, 60, 90. Then fx is cos x, that is in the second column, 1.87, 0.50. Then del as usual, but while taking the values you have to take the last values of each column, this. So a minus mh is 70, a is 90, h is 30, and therefore m is equal to 0.66. Now our Newton's backward formula states like this: f of a minus mh is equal to fa minus m del fa plus m into m minus 1 divided by 2 factorial del square fa minus and so on. So f70, that is cos 70, equal to fa is 0 minus m is 0.66 into minus 0.5 del fa plus 0.66 m into m minus 1 minus 0.34 into 2 into 0.13 minus 0.13 into minus 0.13, that is del square fa minus m into m minus 1 into m minus 2 divided by 3 factorial is 6 into del cube fa. Del cube fa is 0.11, and again divide, multiply, add, subtract gives the value of cos 70 as 0.3391. Then again one more example we will see. All the examples are of same type, same calculations, same technique. So it is very easy to obtain the marks. Up to now the students are getting out for finite differences topic. So keep this in mind and try to solve more and more examples. You do not become the option for that. So the next example, given f0 is 2, f2 is 5, f4 is 10, f6 is 17, f8 is 26. Estimate f7 using Newton's backward formula. So here in the first column the values of x are given. X is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then corresponding values of fx are 2, 5, 10, 17, 26. Then del is like this. See here, these bracketed values are of x, 0, then 2, then 4. So when x is 0, x, that is f0 is 2, and therefore we write like this. So from this we have to convert these columns x and fx, and the rest are the same. The rest things are the same as in previous examples. Then del is 5 minus 2, 3, 10 minus 5, 5, like this. Del square 2, 2, 2, del cube is 0. So up to del square we have to calculate. Then a minus mh is 7, a is 8, h is 2, therefore m is 0.5. Now by Newton's backward formula we have f of a minus mh, fa minus m del fa plus m into m minus 1 divided by 2 factorial del square fa minus and so on. Therefore f7 is equal to 26 minus 0.5 into 9 plus 0.5 minus 0.5 divided by 2 into 2, that is 26 minus 4.5 minus 0.25, and the answer is 21.25. The answer is 21.25. So I suppose for Newton's both formulae, that is forward and backward, the concepts are clear, and examples also with no doubts, I suppose it. But still, if you are anybody having any difficulty in understanding for both the formulae, please ask, post your doubts on the WhatsApp group so that I will clear all your doubts on that group only. Otherwise I will call you also. So I will revise what we have seen. Forward and backward formula both are used. Newton's forward and backward formula, actually Newton Gregory, but in short we write Newton forward. We say Newton forward and Newton backward formula both are used when the interval of differencing is the same, is a constant, and forward formula is to be used when the required argument is in first column. They are in first column. Required argument is nearer to first argument than the last argument. And backward formula we use when the required argument is nearer to last argument. So both the concepts you keep in mind and accordingly use the formula. Then for both prepare the same table, but while using forward formula take the first values first like this, and while using backward formula take the last like this, and use them in the formula. In the forward formula, A is the first argument. A is the first argument. In the backward formula, A is the last argument. A is the last argument. Keep this in mind. And H means interval of differencing. Means what? Meaning thereby 2 minus 0, that is 2. 4 minus 2, that is 2. 6 minus 4, that is 2. 8 minus 6, that is 2. So it is a constant one, and therefore we are using this formula, Newton's formula. So everything is clear to you, I suppose, and you try to solve more and more examples on both these formulas so that you can get out in the Newton's forward and backward formula questions. So for today it is sufficient. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Thank you very much.